I am going to discuss articles related to emergency provisions from Article 352 to 360. Article 350 is related with proclamation of emergency. Article 353 is related with effect of proclamation on emergency. Proclamation of emergency. Article 354 is related with application of provisions relating to distribution of revenues while a proclamation of emergency is in operation. Article 355 is related with duty of the Union to protect states against external aggression and internal disturbance. Article 355 is related with duty of the Union to protect states against external aggression and internal disturbance. Article 356 is related with provisions in case of failure of constitutional machinery in states. Article 357 is related with exercise of legislative powers under proclamation issued under Article 356. Article 358 is related with suspension of provisions of Article 19 during emergencies. Article 359 is related with suspension of the enforcement of the rights conferred by Part 13 during emergencies. Article 359A is again repealed, and Article 360 is related with provisions as to financial emergencies. These are emergency provisions from Article 350 to 360. Then come the Part 19 of Indian Constitution. These include the articles from 361 to 367 related to miscellaneous matters. Article 361 related with protection of President and Governors and Raj Pramukh. This Article 361 is related with protection of President and Governors and Raj Pramukhs of a state. Article 361A is related with protection of publication of proceedings of Parliament and state legislatures. Article 361B is related with disqualification for appointment on remunerative political post. Then Article 362 is repealed. Article 363 is related with bar to interference by courts in disputes arising out of certain treaties, agreements, etc. Article 363A is related with recognition granted to rulers of Indian states to seize and private purses to be abolished. These are regarding Article 363A. Recognition granted to rulers of Indian states to seize and private purses to be abolished. Article 364 is related with special provisions as to major ports and aerodromes. Article 365 is related with effect of failure to comply with or to give effect to directions given by the Union. Article 366 is related with definitions. Article 367 is related with interpretation. These are miscellaneous. These articles are related to miscellaneous things. Then come Part 20 of Indian Constitution, amendment of the Constitution, included in Article 368. And 368 gives the Parliament the power to amend the Constitution and procedure thereof. Therefore, this is under Article 368. Then comes Article from 369 to 392 in Part 21 of Indian Constitution, temporary transition and special provisions. Article 369 is related with temporary power to Parliament to make laws with respect to certain matters in the state list as if they are matters in the concurrent list. Article 370 is related with temporary provisions with respect to the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Article 370, you know the importance. Article 371 is related with special provisions with respect to states of Maharashtra and Gujarat. Article 371A is related with the special provisions with respect to the state of Nagaland. Article 371B is related with special provisions with respect to the state of Assam. Article 371C is related with a special provision with respect to the state of Manipur. Article 371D is related with the special provisions with respect to the state of Andhra Pradesh.